Hello, in this video we will focus on a double-sided openwork knit that is a little bit transparent and typically used in the summer. 4 rows and 4 loops make up the pattern. The sample also includes 4 edge loop and 1 for symmetry. We begin on the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, we have 2 edge loops. The repeat pattern is purl 2, slip 1 loop with yarn over, and purl 1. Again, purl 2, slip 1 loop with a yarn over, and purl 1. Again, purl 2, slip 1 loop with a yarn over, and purl 1. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, after 2 edge loops, knit 2 together with a slant to the left. This decrease is from 2 loops because it is at the beginning of the row. The repeat pattern is, slip 2 loops with 1 yarn over, became 1 loop with 2 yarn over stitches. Knit 3 together, centered decrease 1 from 3. Again, slip 2 loops with 1 yarn over, and knit 3 together. Again, slip 2 loops with 1 yarn over, and knit 3 together. Again, slip 2 loops with 1 yarn over, and knit 3 together. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 3 wrong side, after 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is purl 1. Make a yarn over loop, purl 3 together, and make a yarn over loop. Again, purl 1, yarn over, purl 3 together, yarn over. Again, purl 1, yarn over, purl 3 together, yarn over. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 4 right side, knit all stitches until the end of the row. This double-sided openwork knit has a delicate and eye-catching texture and is a perfect choice for summer. I highly recommend it. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.